YouTube, what's good? It's the fourth Ken, and I got a nice little video for y'all today. I'm gonna teach y'all how to fade Caucasian hair with wall magic clips and clip over comb. So it's my little cousin Bodian, and he wanted to be in the video, so I just set the camera up and started filming. So we gonna make our first guideline with our Slimline Pros. So you can take any type of trimmer that you're using, or even you can just close the lever on your wall magic clips and make this guideline. And we're not setting a contour to his head, we're just doing it straight across, dropping it down a little bit towards the side of his head near his C-cup. He's not gonna have a C-cup, so we're kind of being reckless with this guideline, but you could do that when it comes to this type of fade. So after you make your first guideline, you want to go grab your shavers, any type of shavers that you're using. I'm using the Wall 5-star savers. So you don't want to press too hard, but just keep it consistent. And then we're gonna get our wall magic clips and put the one guard. And this is the wall magic clip with the one guard all the way open. So you go up about 2 inches or 1.5 inches. However much room you want to take, and then you go in under that with your lever open, and we're gonna put it halfway and then close it to get that initial bottom guideline out. As y'all can see, it's basically out except that spot I'm working right now. We're taking our time, and now we switch to our half guard all the way open, which is equivalent to the one guard close. I had some people talking about that in the comment section. The zero guard the half guard with wall does cut off a little bit more than the zero and this guard, but that just comes with the brand. So we're getting out that bottom guideline even more with our Slimline Pros that we set our guideline in with. Then we got our 3 guard. Going up about 1 inch. Then we got our 1.5 guard. It's halfway, and now it's closed. Just getting out above that one open. It's really easy to fade, y'all. That's why I wanted to make this video. It's really not hard, even with straight hair. So we're doing clip over comb now. The thing with clip over comb, when I first tried it, it was a little bit scary because you can cut patches in someone's head. You just have to run the clipper straight across. You can't cut off certain patches. If you rise the comb up, that's how I'm doing. I'm going straight across. I'm not stopping at any point. I'm just going straight across to cut those pieces of hair off or thinning them out. Because clip over comb is not really, you're not trying to cut the hair, you're trying to thin it out to make it blend in more. So we're doing detail work with our no guard. Got the lever closed right now. We're just opening it up slowly, going higher and higher up to the fade. Then we're doing detail work with our half guard and more clip over comb. Since I recorded this side, I'll just let y'all watch when I do the back. As y'all can see, that fade's looking very blurry. I got my 3 guard on there, starting to do the back a little bit towards the top. And I'm gonna let y'all watch the rest until we get into the shape up. So right here we're done all sides of the fade. So we're gonna lift up his bangs and then pin it with my clips, my duck clips. And we're gonna keep his bangs. I was thinking about tapering his hairline, then I changed my mind because his hairline is gonna stay darker when you shape it up just like this. So we're combing his hair down, then we're gonna put some Tresemme hairspray, the number 3 hairspray, and then we're gonna go straight in with our shape up. So I'm using my Slimline Pros. He has bangs, so I'm not taking him back. I'm just taking him back to his natural hairline, doing a professional pushback. And when his corners, just be careful not to patch him. Keep the blade straight and do the diagonal trick that I taught y'all in my earlier videos. And we're done that side of the lineup. Just be careful not to cut them because, clippers act different on different skins, and with Caucasian hair, their skin's really sensitive at times. So we're gonna jump into the other side. On this side, he has a cowlick, so it doesn't really look sharp, but it is sharp, because you don't want to push him back farther than where his cowlick is, because then it'll just look horrible. And then it'll grow in funky, like really spiky, opposite to the way his cowlick grows. So you just gotta be careful with people with cowlicks in their hairline. As y'all can see, that fade cuts looking sharp and blurry. Here we're gonna use some Easy Blade shaving gel. When I tell you, man, this shave gel smells so good, I mean it. It smells like a mint fresh. I don't even know how to explain it. It just smells so fresh and clean. But you're gonna rub it on his forehead. Just take a little bit. You don't want to take too much. We're using that Easy Blade shave handle and the Easy Blade razors. When I tell you this shaving gel company is really nice, man, I mean it. Cause like with other razor handles, it's kind of hard to load it with the razor fast without cutting yourself. This one, you just pop it in and it works perfectly. It slides straight in. No hiccups. It's just real smooth. I really like it. To purchase it, just go. I'll make a link pop up right here. Easy Blade shaving products. Just go to their website. Just order something. Trust me, it'll be worth it. But this is a cut. We just hit 30K. Let's get it. I'm gonna keep grinding all summer. Once again, it's the 4th Ken, and this is the end of the video. And I'm out. Peace.